Like that. Here's the gas tank in here. Forget how the man showed me how to get in it. Obviously, y'all can go back and look at our old Ford tractor videos. It was an old 89 we had. Oh, there's the radiator cap. Let's see if there's anything in that. Let's see the wasp bed. Oh, there's something in it. I heard pressure. I can't get that. Can you get that in? Oh my gosh. Well, it's stuck. I don't know. Here's somebody a present, whoever wants one. Well, these things normally... Got a bunch of people probably screaming at me right now. I see where it needs to go, but I can't. Anything in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Smells like antifreeze. We mix the water. That's a good sign, everybody. Hey. Oh, look. Here we go. Let's see if that tells us anything. Tells us what kind of oil you need. Doesn't tell me anything else. What's your proof meter, everybody? We got gas in here, and there is gas in it. I like tractor gas. And doesn't look like the wires are too bad in here. So anyway, oh, it's got old glass gauges. So everything cleaned up nice, I bet you.
He wants me to fight through. It's got the glass fuel filter.
This thing has 1,003 hours on it, or miles. I don't know what that means. Hours. 1,003 hours. Is that the speedometer? Good Lord, you can go that fast? Okay, you're not driving this what breaks out. Yeah, I know everybody. We need to trim this bush back. I'm sorry. Check that out. These are the original gauges. That's neat. See, 1,003 hours. I can't really make it out, but it looks like it says. What does that say? This is the top speed over here, right? Can anybody see that? Yeah, there you go. 18, 21, 24. It might be the rev meter. I don't know. So that's your temperature gauge. That's good to have. Here's your battery meter. Make sure it's charging, and this is PSI oil pressure. So that's all good stuff. I don't know what the toggle switches do. It's got a push start for something. Got a choke. This used to be the starter right here. Don't look like it's wired in anymore.
It's got a key switch over. And there's more wasp nest.
We do have a key, everybody.
We'll be getting rid of that one. Thank you.
Got a key. This is for PTO right here.
Key switch.
Yeah.
Is that your throttle?
That's your choke.
Oh, choke. Throttle choke.
That's your brake. This is the gas, I believe, and I don't remember what this does.
Has something to do with your PTO, doesn't it?
That might be your brake too. No, this is the PTO right here. This is your leveler. And we figured it can't have run too long ago because that's almost brand new, or at least a year old. Maybe. I haven't checked the fluid in the rear end yet. There is a greasy side of this engine over here, and it's got a little rust, but it should fix it nice. So, to the people that sold it to us, thank you so much. It's a blessing. And we're gonna see if we can't get it to do something. So y'all stick around. Please hit that like and subscribe button.
Bee's already claimed it.
Bee's already claimed it. By the way, she loves the C10. It's right behind Heather, and we're working on that too, but it's just a longer project. What do you think, Bee? Kitty approved? It used to be Bach approved, but I guess it was Kitty approved. If anybody knows like where the serial number on these things would be, please leave a comment, and also how to tell exactly what year it's made in. I'd love to hear that. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you soon. I hear something. Sound like a bad solenoid. Okay. Let's try to jump the starter today.
Excuse me. She's like, I come back now. They aren't trying to kill the trees.
This needs to go back to the power wire. Here. More straight to the battery. What do you think? She'd be such a good farm cat.
Well,
It does now. Yeah.
nothing at all.
So let's try it the other way. Get rid of this. Means we ain't trying to take the right shortcut. Could be the corrosion right there. Also might need to start a rebuild, which isn't hard to do on these old ones.
Mm-hmm.
Talking to you now. Good grief. Nothing else to hook it to, just missing one. Okay. Which means I gotta figure out how to get a good connection with the starter. That little spider ran for his life. Oh crap!
It's the 4th of July. I'm running away.
Oh, can't do it, officer. Off of me, sir. Light it real good. There you go. There you go. Pressure. You heard that compression?
Mm-hmm.
Told
She wants to run.
you. Yep. Alright, so my guess is that solenoid's probably bad. I got one in the toolbox. Then we'll have to make sure it has spark and spray some go-go juice up this thing, or right here actually. And I bet it'll bark off. Let me see where's the
Change out those fuel filters.
emission coils over there. Let me. Oh yeah, this is the depth filter. Like, one shoot better right here.
Yeah.
What's it doing? Leaking from the hose?
Those hoses are cracked.
It's filling up. See it?
Yeah. They're cracked and old.
There it goes.
Well, they may not be old, but they're just cracked.
That's old. That's old gas, but these things run off of it.
Yeah, it's filling it up.
So it's not
You
gonna
can
have
turn it off.
ignition. It's not gonna have ignition until we hook up power to the main switch.
Yeah.
She doesn't have right now because I'm just going straight to the starter. It could though. It could be. Coming. Right there, buddy. Will it bark off? I love that smell for the first time in a minute. Or will it catch on fire and burn everything down? We're gonna find out. Okay.
For a second.
Well, I can't let go of the starter with this because it sounded quiet too. Didn't it?
Do it again.
Well, you can't. I don't know if it's gonna stay cranked. Guess the dumb thing is Oh, let's see what I did. As I go with this, it should quit messing with the starter, right? You ready? Hold up. Good spark.
It fell off to grounded.
Okay. Cool.
Well, she will.
It'll crank. We're gonna put some work into it, I guess, tomorrow. We've got to go get Heather her last birthday present. That's right, everybody. She's this many years old. I'm not telling that because I'm smarter than you think I am. And we'll keep y'all updated. We'll work on this thing tomorrow. Hopefully have a video up here shortly. Y'all talk to you later. Bye. Okay guys, so we're out here enjoying the sunshine on this barely pretty late November's Eve day. So we've started working on the tractor. Obviously got off the trailer. Sorry, I never filmed that. I don't know why. I've already got new fuel line and filter and everything ran. We know it needs copper line, so right now this will work. I'm gonna take the hood off if I can remember how to, just so I can get up under there. Plus I want to sand and paint this thing, try to make it pretty again. And we'll see how much we get done today. We're probably about to go get a Christmas tree because we love Christmas, and it's you know, getting that time of year. I don't know what my cat's got over there in the trees. B, you're on camera. It'll help her. So we gotta take the solenoid off, and you can see it's kind of cluttered mess, but I'm gonna just free up some more space. Already got that side over there done. I'm gonna do this side and see what else needs to be off of here to be able to get to it. Oh, got a question for everybody. According to Google, they didn't make a Ford 2000 Model 600. Somebody explain that, unless somebody just randomly stuck some stickers on there. I doubt it. But anybody want to guess at what year this thing is? Let me know in the comments. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, we got a bad tire. I don't know if we'll patch that or not. And be back with you shortly. All right, guys. So as you can see, we've just assembled everything. I've washed everything down. I was gonna paint it, but I'm kind of liking this patina look. Like everything but the sticker. I like the patina look. I'm gonna try to actually maybe try to patch this tire real quick, see what it does. But we're still waiting on the starter solenoid. I ordered it yesterday. It was supposed to be here today. It hasn't shown up yet. But I cleaned up the cables, the grounds, everything else. So let me see if I can't figure out if I can patch this tire or not safely. And we will update you guys shortly. You can see the fender turned out pretty good, just washing it. Hopefully we'll get somebody to come get this tractor a new home. I'd love to keep it, but as mentioned, I only have about an acre of land, and it's not big enough for one of these. We used to have that 8-in. It was fun for a while, but you know. So there's the old truck. I don't know, we're waiting on what to do about the engine on this thing. But all right, guys, we'll talk to you shortly. Y'all please hit that like and subscribe button. We greatly appreciate you. Bye. All right, guys. So we are back after some setbacks and many headaches. I think we might have figured it out. So what I did was, first thing y'all saw was I couldn't, starter wasn't working. We had to jump everything off. I unwrapped. No, that ain't snake skin. That's the electrical tape off that wire that they did, which I have left exposed for now because I'm still figuring everything out. Basically, what we figured out was we were checking for cracks, didn't see nothing in this white wire. That one goes to the it goes around back over here to the oh good gosh, coil. There we go. And the red one goes to right there. So we've traced power, all that works. Come up here, wasn't getting power, was getting power to the switch, wasn't getting power when I turned the key. Couldn't find out. I think the switch is bad, so what I did is just bypass that. It should be getting power now. I also think, we're not for sure on this, but this ballast resistor might be a little weak. So I might just, you know, go spend 10, 15 bucks, pick one of those up if I can find it. And then the other problem was I couldn't figure out for the life of me how to convert that 4-leg, because, you know, originally it said 3 legs, but on this one it had a 4-leg. I think I read up on it, and guys, this is what you got to do. You take the power wire, it goes to the S. See that? If I can get it to focus. There you go. That one is the all-time power. It goes to the S. This one goes to your starter. This one goes to your battery. And I also put a new battery cable in there because it needed it. So what you got to do is you got to ground that wire out. And what I did was, when I ripped this off, I found some really good cables, the wires. This was one of them. So I put it right here. I ran it over here, and it's now grounded out to the old starter, push start. So now we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna clean the carburetor out and the tank, and we got new gas in there. So let's see if it wants to start. Yeah, it's flowing. There you go. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. You can kind of see it. Then fill the bowl up. Let's see if we can't get this thing to do something. I wish I knew where my stand was, but I can't find it. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna put y'all back here in the truck and bear with me. Before we do that, I wanted to show you this. So this thing had, obviously I don't have the money to go get the tires right now. Just to be honest with everybody. It had 3 leaks. Well, I plugged 2 of them safely. Usually I don't like doing that, but it took it and it was fine. The other leak is actually, you can hear it, probably. It's actually coming from the valve inside there. So I need to find this little piece. Tractor Supply claims they have some. I went up there and looked. I could not find anything in stock. They did have the one that, if you Google it, what comes on these, but it looked too thick. And that one's too thin. Unless that one just wore out. So anyway, let's see if we can't get this thing to truly fire up for the first time in a really long time and actually running idle. Lord, please keep us safe. It's in neutral, everybody. So see what happens. Now, the question is, if it does fire up, how am I going to kill it? I guess I'll take that off right there. Well, I think it runs, and it sounded really good until it ran out of gas. So I've got to figure out what's going on with this thing. Let me let you get in here. No, it looks dirty, but that's clean fuel. I just went and got it. The bowl's a little stained. Don't understand. It's not a crack. I honestly don't think it's actually sucking in fuel. May need to get a rebuild kit for this carb. This is the original carburetor. I don't want to put I've put aftermarket ones, Chinese ones on them before. It don't really hurt it, but I don't really want to do that. Anybody got any suggestions? Because I took this all the way out, cleaned everything. I took this out, took the needle out, cleaned it with brush and with cleaner. I cleaned that as best I could. Probably need to let this soak overnight. It's a little gummy, but nothing. It's just old. Sounds like it was getting gas, and I filled the bowl up with gas. That's when it ran for a minute, and then it died again. So I don't really know. It's not getting gas in this. Obviously I got the air cleaner off of it. Which goes like that. Up. There. And that's in the shop. Let's see if it'll. I don't think I have any starting fluid. Oh, ether. It was running on gas though, so that's a good sign. sucking gas down, and then it dies. And that's got some suction to it because it just took my hand. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Fellas, we're gonna call this good. I'll figure out what's going on with that. We'll make another video on that shortly. We'll make another video on that shortly. I'll keep y'all posted. But it's running. I'm very confident that once I figure out why it's not getting gas, it's going to be a good little tractor because it sounds pretty healthy. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. Me and my wife would greatly appreciate it. Take it as our Christmas present. Anyway, we love you. Jesus loves you. We'll be praying for you. Hope you have a Merry Christmas. Thanks again for watching. And please, like I said, hit that like and subscribe button. Please, try not to skip around the video. Like, let it play out. It ain't that long. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.